In today's video, I am going to teach you how to freeze the header and footer in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site is open, click Design Site to enter the editor so you can make changes to the layout and scroll behavior. First, let us freeze the header. Go to the top section of your page where the header appears. Right-click directly on the header section to open its options. From the menu that appears, select Header Scroll Settings. This will open the controls for how the header behaves when someone scrolls down the page. Adjust the setting so the header remains visible while visitors scroll. This keeps the header fixed in place and makes it easier for people to access your site navigation at any time. Next, move down to the footer so you can freeze it as well. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page in the editor. Once you reach the footer section, right-click on it to open the footer options. Choose Footer Settings from the menu. In the Settings panel, look for the option labeled Freeze Footer and turn that toggle on. After enabling it, close the Footer Settings panel to return to the editor. Now test both changes inside the editor. Scroll up and down through your page and check that the header stays fixed at the top while the footer remains fixed as expected. This gives you a quick way to confirm that both elements are set correctly before you continue. When everything looks right, click Preview. This lets you test how the page behaves from the visitor's point of view. Scroll through the page again and make sure the header and footer stay visible the way you want on the live version of the layout. If the result looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Publishing applies the updated scroll behavior so your visitors will see the fixed header and footer right away. This is a simple way to improve navigation and keep important site sections visible while people browse your content. It only takes a few settings changes inside the Wix editor, and once published, the effect is immediate. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.